Hey guys, welcome back to the video. This is SRINIVAStheDEVELOPER from the developer channel. Today we are going to learn about functions. Why we go for function when we can directly write a code just like that. I'm the kind of guy who thinks like that. Then I have go through some kind of professional stuffs and professional tutorials. Then I have learned about we can use the function to reduce the size of the program. Yeah, it's happening. Like once we need to write something like in previous video we have checked about odd or even and positive negative values, right? For each time we just returning the function or returning the code again and again. To get rid of that we go for function. Here this is the definition for function. Def, this is the keyword that specifies I'm going to use a function, and here this is the name of the function. I'm putting the name as checker. Inside this curly braces we can specify the number of parameters, like this will act as the variable for this. Let me explain it clearly. If n greater than 0, print positive. If n equal to 0, print 0, else print negative. So we have defined positive, 0 and negative statement here. Here I am going to specify or check for the odd or even. If n mod 2 equal to 0, it's even, print even, else print odd. So that's it. If I call the checker function of value 1, it will give you an error. That's because I have misspelled the variable checker. Instead of checker I have checked her. That's a joke, I guess. So one is a positive integer and it's a odd value. We got positive odd. If I do this for 0, we got 0 even, and if I do this for 2, we got positive 2. We are not repeating the code or we are rewriting the code again and again. We are just reusing the code by defining this function functionality. So this is why we go for function. Like if I just need to do the same operation for certain loops, like for I in range of 1 to 10 or minus 5 to plus 5, this should be 6 because the end range should be minus 1 in range, and I'm specifying the increment value plus 1. So it's time to check checker of I. So we got positive, negative, odd, 0 like that, right? It's not in a formatted way. What we can do, we instead of putting all those things in a different line, we can put all those, or we can specify the end value just like that by using the option end comma end equal to specify space. By default the end value is /n, which is nothing but a new line. We are overwriting the with space. Here I'm going to put all those here. And after this I'm printing the value n. So if I run the loop again, we will get to know something much more clear than the previous one. Like minus 5 is negative odd, minus 4 is negative even, 0 is 0 even, and this is positive, odd, positive, even, like that. That's the specialty of in here. We'll talk about separator and some more things during the list and dictionary data type. That's it, guys. Bye.